Hello friends, welcome to your own channel Noiseless Investment. Here we try to decode a company based on the fundamentals and get to know if the company is worth our investment or not. Please note I am not a SEBI registered advisor and these are my personal views based on the fundamentals of this stock. So if you like my initiative, then you can subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to get the useful information on a regular basis. Please like this video in case you really like this video. So this is the website of LTIMindtree and we are going to do a fundamental analysis of LTIMindtree. So here you can go through the website and get to know more about this company and as to know what exactly the company is into and what they are manufacturing and what services they are providing. So now let's move on to the fundamental analysis side. So the current market price of this stock is 5,242 and it fell by 0.16%. The current market cap of this company is 1,54,985 crores and the stock PE is 35.2. If we look into the industry PE, it is 26 and it is in comparison it is expensive than the industry PE. So if we look into the ROCE is fabulous, 37.7%. For this year, ROCE is for 3 years is 40.9%, ROCE for 5 years is 41%, ROCE for 10 years is 42.8%. Now, if we look into the ROE, then it is 28.6%. Return on equity for 3 years is 31.6%. Return on equity for 5 years is 31.6%. Return on equity for 10 years is 33.6%, which is fabulous. Now, if we look into the face value is 1 and the debt on the company is negligible. Interest coverage ratio is 39.5, which is very good. The current ratio is 2.27, which means that the company is cash rich. Now, if we look into the promoters holding, it is 68.7%. The FII's holding is 8.47, which is this is good. Promoters holding is more than 50%, which is good. The FII's holding is 8.41%. The DII's holding is 11.6%. So the promoters, they have reduced their holding by 0.1%, and the FII's, they have reduced their holding by 0.8%. The DII's holding, they have increased their holding by 1.18%. So if we look into the pledged percentage, the company is not having any pledged. So the promoters, they have not pledged any of their percentage. The sales growth CAGR is 27.1%, which is good. The profit growth CAGR is 11.6, which is good. It is in the positive territory. So profit growth, quarterly profit variance is 74.8%. So quarter on quarter it is rising by 74.8%. So these are the sales growth and the profit growth CAGR for 3 years and 5 years respectively. And if we look into the EPS, so the EPS is 149 rupees. So each stock of this LTIMindtree is making 149 rupees for you in a year. The operating profit margin is 18.4%. So they are taking 18.4 rupees for every 100 rupees earned in their pocket. Now, if we look into the dividend payout, it is 40.3, which is good. The dividend yield is more than 1%, which is also very good. Now, if we look into the PEG ratio, it is 1.1%. That means ideally it should be less than 1, but it is 1.11. So even that can be considered as good only. Now, if we look into the quick ratio, it is 2.27%, which is good. The company will be able to pay off its liability in a very short span of time. If we look into the ROIC, then it is 41.2%, which is extremely good. So this is return on invested capital is quite good. If we look into the Altman Z score, it is 14.2, which is extremely good. So the company is not going to get bankrupt within 2 years at least. So at least means the company is good. Financially, the company is sound. However, the Piotrowski score suggests 5, so it specifies average financials. It has scored 5 out of 9. Return over 1 month is 6.05%. Return over 1 week is 3.01%. Return over 1 day is minus 0.16%. Now, so this is the fundamental. Now let's look into the stock score. So the stock score is 8 out of 10. The earning is 7, fundamentals is 9, relative valuation is 3, risk is 9, price momentum is 6. So now let's move on to the chart of LTIMindtree. So it is trying to cross this level of 5200. I mean, it had tried to cross this level of 5200. However, today there was a selling and the stock fell by 0.06%, and there was a red candle that was formed, and the volume was also very high. So there was a heavy selling that had occurred today for the stock. The RSI is still 67%. However, this shows that the RSI line, it is retracing back. The MACD line is well above the red line over here. So as of now, the stock is bullish, but it is facing resistance at this level, and the volume was very high today and it was falling. So this specifies that the stock is in may retrace down to this level of around 4800, and if it will not stop here, then it may find at till 4166, it may fall down at this level. However, mind it, the stock has good potential. I mean, the value buying zone is from this level, from 5000 till 4719 till 5000 is a great buying zone for the stock, and then this is the other buying level zone for the stock. I don't have a buy or sell recommendation for this stock. Kindly consult your financial advisor and do your due diligence before investing in the stock. Now let's move on to check the fundamental as to the fair values of the stock. So the fair value of LTIMindtree is coming out to be 5293.69, and there is a potential upside of 1%. The spread can be between 2937 and 5934. So these are the pros and cons of this company. You can go through this and get to know more about this company. Thank you for listening. Have a great day, and in case you like this video, then please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to get the useful information on a regular basis.